So you have two basic standard methods of application, which are sticky tabs and nail glue. Sticky tabs usually last anywhere between a few hours to 1 to 3 days, while nail glue, it lasts anywhere between a few days to a week, 2 weeks, sometimes even 3 weeks. If you're using sticky tabs, peel off the protective layer and then size the nails to see which sticky tab fits the nail. So, for example, this is the thumb, so I use the biggest sticky tab for the thumb, and there is another protective film over each individual sticky tab, so you want to peel that off too. Now you're going to apply the press-ons to your natural nails. Make sure that you don't put them on crooked, and press down on the nails to make sure that they are on tight and that they won't come off. And make sure that you apply pressure on both the left side and the right side. If you choose to apply your nails with nail glue, make sure that you cut the tip of the nail glue first so that the glue can come out. Put a few drops of glue on the underside of the press-on nail. Swirl it around so that it covers the entire press-on nail. Apply your press-on nail at the angle I'm showing you how to do it so that it's straight and that the entire nail is on and the glue is sealed in between both of the nails and there isn't any air pockets. And hold for approximately 30 seconds. If any glue gets on your skin, take the alcohol pad that's provided with your nails and wipe it off. And if the nail glue dries before you can wipe it off with alcohol, no worries, it's gonna come off. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about the application process or anything else involving what comes with your nails, how to remove them, how to prep.